What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl kitchen and to my channel how to cook. And today your girl is doing a Q&A mukbang. Let's get right into it.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari. Why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Alright, so before we go before we start, alright, let me tell you what I have on the platter yesterday. Okay? I have rice and peas, oxtail. I don't have no butter bean in there though. Just oxtail, rice and peas, some fried cabbage, not steamed, fried cabbage with some beef sausages, fried plantains. I love sweet cucumber, so I have some cucumber right there, and some sweet organic tomatoes on that baby. So that's what your girl have here. Before I get started, let's say a prayer and then dive up into this good. Heavenly Father, we want to give you thanks and praise for yet another wonderful meal. Father God, let it be nourishment to my mind, to my soul, and to my body. Provide for those that don't have a meal today, Father God, and also provide for the eaters. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. There you have it. Alright? So what I'm having with it is some iced tea, and I did put a little bit of apple juice in it. So this is pretty good. I love apple juice and put a little bit of lemon in it. Yeah, that's what I have right there. Soft drink. So yes, good. This one was coming. I've been said I was going to do sit down Q&A for about a month now when we had that really crucial lockdown, but your girl had her hands full, honey, full. So finally your girl gonna get it in. Rice and peas, oxtail, cabbage, fried cabbage and sausage, fried plantains, a little bit of that good sweet cucumber that I love, and some organic tomatoes, and my juice on deck right here. So how y'all doing? This one was coming for a while. I promised you guys that I was going to do a Q&A for a while. I did put it on my community wall, and a couple of you guys responded. So I think it's about time that your girl get it on in. Push this back some. I'm thirsty and I'm hungry too because I haven't eaten all day. So I'm hungry. Now I am going to be eating. Everybody have their own way how them eat, but your girl gonna be eating. Yes, honey. Everybody have their own way them eat, them make sound, but in my kitchen when I'm eating, I do make a sound because my food is always good, and everybody that eat my food always makes sound. Okay, so you might hear a little bit of and all of that stuff. If you don't like all of that stuff, then go ahead and click up and not go be mad. Go ahead and just exit because you know your girl gonna hurt. So I am going to be eating, and I am a Jamaican, so I do have an accent. We're going to get into all of that. We're going to get into the Q&A. But first, honey, I'm dying to start eating, tasting my food. So let's start with this rice and peas. I just got done making this. Alright, so I did not put this on camera, that's for sure. But I can tell you it's real good though. Let's see. Yes. Got rice and peas here. You know, remember to keep my phone close by because I'm going to go through my phone, because that's where the questions are. Man, it's so good. Let me give you a better view of my food when I eat, because my camera is acting stupid. I don't know what's going on with it, but it's kind of blurry from a distance. So so good, honey, so good. Let me eat some more before we get on in there, because you're very hungry. Man. That's my oxtail bell. I don't know if you can see because I'm a foot man. Hopefully you can see this because my camera is kind of blurry, but I can stay right there. So. Mama. Humongously good. I put a little bit of pepper in it, but not too much. It's not overly spicy. It's just right because I don't like pepper. Anyway, oh God. Let's let the glasses on deck. So, a couple of weeks ago, I asked you, about a month ago actually, 4 weeks ago, I asked you to ask me anything because I noticed that I have a lot of new subscribers, right? So, I wanted you guys to ask me anything. Oh God, so hungry. So, you did. I'm going to put my glasses because I can't see nothing without it. So, let's see. Sean Waldron, W-A-L-D-R-O-N. It's just not really a question. It just said, just like you. It says, just like so. He said, laugh out loud. I love when you say that. I enjoy your channel. Keep up the good work. And touch yard soon. And make a link with your sub in Jamaica. Thank you, honey. It is just so amazing to hear you say you like the way that I speak, because I do get a lot of backlashes about my Jamaican accent. So, for all my new goodies, I am Jamaican. I do have an accent, and I can't do nothing about it. I can't speak a spooky talky eye sometime, so people will kind of comprehend what I'm saying. But at the end of the day, I am a yardie. I'm 100% yardie. My mother is Jamaican. My father is Jamaican. My whole family name is Jamaican. So that's, you know, I have an accent. I have a dialogue. I speak patois, stone cold patois. So there's nothing that I could do about it. That's it. So I'm sorry if you don't understand when I speak, but I do have an accent. I'm a yardie, I'm a Jamaican. You know what I'm saying? So, alright, let's do the next one. AF asks, she says, good morning, my favorite YouTube chef Juliana and influencer. As always, I'm loving the look you are sporting in the picture above, because I did post a picture when I asked the question. She said, I would like to ask, how are you coping with the lockdown? And she says, what are some of the things that you do to keep your mind off stress? For example, work, in the park, etc., etc., etc. Well, the way that I cope since the lockdown and everything, well, Georgia kind of gone back, everything gone back on deck. Even though people are still dying and people are getting sick with the coronavirus, COVID-19, Georgia is one of those states that did go back. Everything went back to normal, right? I don't know why, but they are. And since they did that, a lot of people got sick since then. I'm happy to go there. My food a bit cold. Not cold, but yeah. Anyway, if I deal with the lockdown, I do work from home. And I had started to work from home for quite some time before the virus thing started. I did have a store in Atlanta, which I closed down last year in February. I do everything from home. My husband is an essential worker, so I'm always there on the road anyway. So it's like everything was still the same. The only thing that was different is that when I was going out to run errands, there would be lines out. My camera just left the building, but anyway, I was saying my life before COVID-19 was basically, it didn't really change because I was doing the things that I was doing before, I was still doing it after COVID-19. But the thing that changed was the lines that I had to join, if I have to join line, or little stuff like that. And wearing a mask and wearing gloves and all that, but everything was still the same. I dealt with it by staying home most the time. Those times that I didn't want to go out to run errands, I do DIYs. I have a second channel, like Juliana. I will list that channel link down below. But I do DIY. So I always find things to do around my house. I like to clean my house, I like to do stuff like that. And I'm in the middle of packing. So yeah, so didn't really bother me just by staying safe, worry about family and friends and stuff. You didn't really see them just talk on the phone and stuff like that. But that's how I dealt with it. Just cooking, editing videos, and doing DIYs. Yeah, that was about it. Alright. My camera, I can fool it off. I don't know why. Now live with Samoy, Samoy. She wants to know who teach me for cook. She said, who teach you to cook? That's all I really want to know. Well, honey, live F Samoy, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. My mother and my grandmother is the one who taught me to cook. And over the years, I did develop a little skills here and there, learn a little new tricks and stuff like that here and there. But originally, it was my mom and my grandmother. My grandmother used to cook and sell and everything there. So I learned from them both. Yeah, so that's about it. Let's see here. Marva Campbell. She says, first you look amazing. My question is, what do you eat on a daily basis and how do you maintain your weight since you cook all the time? Okay, so hi Marva, welcome to my channel. I do maintain my weight by eating everything that I love. I just eat moderate amount. Like I'm having this right here, oxtail, I only have 4 pieces. Rice and peas, I only have one, like a half cup. And then I do combine it with vegetables, which I'm having plantains and cabbage, a little bit of the beef sausage, but not too much. And I do have tomatoes and cucumber. I love cucumber. And I do love sweet pepper. Everything that I eat, I combine vegetables with it, but I do eat in moderate amount. I eat everything. I eat ice cream, I eat everything. But me just, instead of having like 2 slices of potato pudding, I have 1 slice. Instead of having like a big cup or 2 big cups of ice cream, I have 1 cup. I just chop everything in half. I do not go on a diet. I just eat everything in moderate amount. If I really feel like I need to lose some little weight here and there, I'll do mostly vegan sometime. But I do eat moderate amount. No matter what I'm eating, I minimize what I eat. And that's about it. That's how I maintain my weight. And yeah, I do cook a lot. That's so true. My husband said I cook and I not eat it. But I do eat, but I just eat a little bit. Alright. Candy Bless. Candy Bless says, you look so good, boo. One more question. She says, will you be vlogging and cooking live on this channel? The answer for that is yes. I used to vlog a lot before on this channel, but I just stopped because I don't even know why I stopped, but I did. I guess because I started another channel. Over there, I don't know why I stopped. But anyway, I will be doing live on this channel soon after I move. A lot of things going to change after I move. I'm packing right now. That's all I can say. I'm in the middle of packing right now. So, yeah, but yeah, I will be doing that pretty soon, baby. And love you, love you, love you, love you. Alright, VV says she appreciates my videos. I appreciate you for loving me the way you do, boo. Green Bay says, Green Bay, how do you stay in shape? Also, since being at home, any pampering self-care tips? Well, being home, like I said, I was always doing the same thing that I'm doing on this lockdown, which is doing my makeup, doing my hair. I love doing my makeup and my hair and something. I love to play around. I do my own toenails, because I'm afraid of my foot bottom. Once in a blue moon, I go get, when my husband get them toes done or whatever, I'll go with him and get my toes up, but I'm terrified of my foot bottom, just like I'm afraid of pepper. And so, I'll do it myself. I don't do my nails, y'all. See? I don't do my nails. The last time I had my nails done, professionally done, was when I got married. And that was almost 4 years ago. I do not get my nails done. Once in a blue moon, I put a little bit of clear polish on top. Or sometimes if I'm cooking, doing a cooking video and you spot nails on anything polished on my fingers, it's because I was doing something for my next channel and I just wanted the color on my fingernails to look pretty in the particular video. But otherwise, sometimes I don't like my nails done. Alright, so I always keep them cut. So I'm low maintenance when it comes on to my fingers. My toes, I do it myself. Once I'm blooming, like I said, I'll have it done somewhere, but I do my toenails myself, okay? Alright, so let's go to the next one. And you know, let me put on my glasses because I can't see for reading nothing. And then I'll take a break by eating some of my food. I gotta eat something. I gotta eat something, y'all. I gotta eat something. I'm melted up. Check out the pimento. Pimento seed. So good. It's actually a papaya. Alright. Indra Q, right? She asked me, which state in the US is your favorite and why? Which state? Well, you know, I live in Atlanta, but I do love Connecticut, but it's too cold. That's why I moved. I do love New York. It's too cold and it's too fast. That's why I moved. I do love Florida, but Florida have too much insects and bugs and stuff. I'm afraid of lizard and snake and alligator. If I was to move to another state, I would probably move to I don't know. I really don't know. But I do like Florida though. I do like Florida. But them bugs there and them alligator there is no joke. And them snake there. If you have a suggestion, let me know. Because I'm kind of torn there. I do love Atlanta. I don't like the traffic. You know what? Every state that you would come to mind to live, there's always something with that state. Georgia full of what do you call it? Georgia full of spiders, because I did get spider bite a couple of years ago and my nail dead. So yeah, Georgia full of spider. But I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah. Let's see. Land of eloping or something like that. Yeah. ELOHYM. Yeah. He wants to know. His question is, are you married? Because you're always looking good. Yeah, man. Respect. Okay, so that's an easy one. Yes, I am married. Okay, and I am married to my best friends. I've been married for about almost 4 years. And I've known my husband, we was friends. Me and my husband was friends for a very long time. We know each other. We know the same set of people and stuff like that. We started dating a couple of years ago. And then we're married, yeah, we're married. Next one. Now, Heather Taylor asks, how do you keep your weight off? I think I answered that before, not too long ago. I do keep my weight off by eating whatever I want. I just eat half. You see what I'm sitting around the food here? I love what I'm eating, but my mind tells my stomach not to eat anymore, and so everything shuts down. I keep my weight off by eating less. Eat everything I love, but just eating less, basically. You know, because I do believe when you're go on a diet and you kind of, your body craves for certain things that you used to love, you go right back and that's how you gain weight. So I do eat everything that I love. I just eat smaller amount. That's it. Alright, so what else? Didi Godly wants to know, how do you feel about collaborations with smaller YouTuber? Actually, that's a good one. I love, as a matter of fact, if you are a YouTuber and you are starting your channel, just starting up your channel and you want to collaborate with me, go ahead and do so. I would love to do it. Just contact me on Instagram, how_to_cook_channel. How to cook channel, and just send me a message right there and I will contact you. We do a collab, right? Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. One hand help wash the other. One hand helps to wash the other. Michelle Bless wants to know, how do you handle negative comments? Guard Stewart wants to know, what's for dinner? Oxtail, rice and peas. Cabbage with sausage, cucumber and baby tomato. Yummy. Jasmine Clark says, if you would ask God to grant you 2 wishes, what would it be and why? My first wish, if God could have granted me 2 wishes, is for blacks to have equal rights just like everybody else. And, you know, right now, the way the world are going, number one is that blacks have equal rights. Give me equal rights what we deserve. And number 2, we just all get along. Peace in the world. Peace in the world. You have that, you have everything. Equal rights and justice. Peace in the world. That's it. That's all I need in the world. Equal rights and justice. Eat this. Oxtail, baby. What, honey? So good. I guess that covers all my Q&A. So for all my new goodies, I love you guys. I'm so happy. And the girl is stuffed. That's all I had. But for all my goodies, I see you. Over the course of these couple of weeks, I see you guys. Yeah, I was watching until you decided to subscribe, and I do appreciate the love. Oh, so much, guys. You don't even know how much. I do appreciate you for just taking the time just to subscribe to my channel, just to watch my videos. I appreciate you guys to the core, right? But I know you guys are curious about your girl, and so I just want to say hi. My name is Juliana, and I'm a mom. I have 3 daughters, and I'm also a wife, and I love to cook, and I love to do DIYs. I do have another channel. It's called Life is Juliana, and I'm going to list that down below. So if you're into that DIYs and vlogs and all them things, and sometimes I just put whatever that comes to mind on there, but I would love if you go over there and subscribe to that channel as well. But I so appreciate you guys just for taking the time to watch this video, taking the time to subscribe to my channel, and just be sure to check your notification settings that they are on. Sometimes I know it could be a piece of work, but I'm only human. You know, you might be watching me on your TV screen or your phone screen or your computer screen, but I am only human. I am Juliana. My channel is called How to Cook channel, but I am Juliana. Okay, aka How to Cook. So if you have a recipe that you want me to do, I always try to come through with the recipe. So go ahead and just ask me, and I will do them. They may not come right away, but they do come. But thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot. Real talk, it means a lot. I am Jamaican. I do have a Jamaican mother. I have a Jamaican father. I'm of Jamaican background. I'm not from the background, but I was born in Kingston, Jamaica. I have a very strong accent, and there's absolutely nothing that I could do about my accent, right? No matter where you go in the world, you're born in Jamaica, no matter what you do, no matter where you go, you are a Jamaican. So even if you try to hide your accent, it's going to come out either way. People be like, you have an accent, where are you from? They do. People could tell when you have a Caribbean accent. They say, oh, I hear a little accent. I heard a little accent there. That's because you are who you are. You are born who you are. That's me. I cannot come here on this channel here, on this platform, and trying to be something that I'm not. I'm not an American. I have 3 daughters. The 2 older ones were born in Jamaica, and the last one was born here in the US. She have an American accent, but she does have a Jamaican accent too, because she hear her mother talk Jamaican basically every day. They're on Jamaicans every day, so she have a little accent. Jamaican accent too, because she hear her mother chat it. And it is what it is. We can't change nothing about that, but yeah. Just cope with it, the guys, you know what I mean? I can't say nothing. So because a lot of people come complaining about, oh, your accent is so strong and they can't talk for suit other people. How am I going to be a Jamaican and have an Australian accent? How am I going to be a Jamaican and have an English accent? How am I going to be a Jamaican and have a Spanish accent? I'm a Jamaican. So there's nothing I could do about that. Me a yardie, me a 100% yardie. Me can't change my accent. Me can't do it. So if it bothers a lot of you, then there's nothing I could do about it. You just have to just go ahead and subscribe to the channel that you could probably understand them better. But we can't change my accent no matter how me pretend, no matter how me try. It come out same way. So your girl is kind of full. I can't eat no more, but I love the oxtail, you know. I'm gonna try to eat peace more. This is why I don't do mukbangs, y'all. So, you know, I know that a lot of times people ask me for the mukbangs and stuff like that. Me can't do mukbangs because my belly is for full. But if I eat the oxtail though, oxtail is expensive. there was a little store, supermarket that I used to go here in Georgia, Atlanta somewhere. And they used to sell them oxtail for $5.99 a pound. And then after the corona and all of that, them oxtail went up to $8 a pound. It make a jump. Oxtail is expensive. If I eat the plant and can't waste that. I'm gonna eat the tomato too. But everything else, I don't want it. I'm very full. That's it. Oh. That was good. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for hanging in there with me. Make sure your notifications are on. Go to turn the notifications on. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Tell them what's going on over here. I sleep more, I sleep enough. Bring them, come and send them, come. I'm waiting. After you done that, tell me where you want to see me cook next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. Bye.